1,000 years and more, it's been flowing, this river of birds in the sky. Generations of people have watched it in awe, and it still brings a tear to my eye. Flying south in the fall, back north in the spring, these millions must move to survive. But perils and dangers are on every side. It's a wonder any make it alive. But there are some with traps and guns who wait along the way. Birds are passing, the guns are blasting. It's such a cry and shame. Drawn by the season's irresistible call, migrating from east and west. Some fly by day, others by night, but all run this gauntlet of death. Birds flying free, no borders you see. No one can claim them alone. This great migration over dozens of nations, let's help them safely get home. Flying so free, soaring high. A river of birds in the sky. We can help them, you and I. The river of birds in the sky. These senseless traditions, like so many before, must soon go the way of all things. We're the champions of the flyway, my friend. Our hope it is carried on wings. A silent spring, what an awful thing. But what can one person do? You can become a champion, and we're all